What's up, everybody? And thanks for checking out the latest version of GPT Researcher. In this latest version, we've unlocked a totally new front end for you guys, and I think we're going to really enjoy it. So first of all, if you click the settings, you're going to see all your search settings over here. And what we've tried to do is show off the robustness of the backend also on the front end. So for example, you can go ahead and set your API variables directly from the front end, and you can choose your search engine as well. Google, if you do choose other options, you'll be asked to set the relevant API keys so you know exactly what you need to set. And in this case, you can also set your doc path depending on where you want your documents to go. Your OpenAI API key will pretty much unlock the majority of the features for you. And you can also set your LangChain API key if you want to get logs on your multi-agent reports, Tavily API key if you want the longer reports as well. So let's look into the search settings for a second. And within here, we see report type, summary of 2 minutes, and multi-agents report. And you can choose either from the internet or from your documents. And you can even set the tone now as well, humorous, optimistic, stuff like that. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. Let's have a look at what the multi-agents report does for us. What does LangGraph help us with? And so this is a really awesome example of building out a complex AI flow with LangGraph. Formerly, we only had this available via the CLI, but now we also have it available for you guys so you can actually visualize the flow of what's happening. Again, if you want to study it a little deeper, you're always welcome to join the Discord, reach out to us on the GitHub discussions and stuff like that. And but what's actually happening is there's a couple of AI agents working at the same time and reviewing each other's work and putting unique twists on the report, and kind of collaborating in order to give you the finished product. So it's not just a one-time blast of a report, it's also AI agents reviewing each other's work, going back to the sources, making sure that everything is relevant and so on. So it's just an awesome display of what you can do with LangGraph, of building AI flows, which can reason about problems, break problems into subtasks, review each other's work, and all that other good stuff. And at the end of it, you're going to get this nice little report, but it's going to be much bigger than what you're used to with GPT Researcher. You got a table of contents, an introduction, and just a bunch of other stuff. And so it's just much more robust, and that's pretty awesome. Other than that, we also have you'll still be able to download stuff as a PDF or a docx, and you can keep on asking questions if you didn't find your answer right away. And you can also change the report type as you go. So we're going to change the report type to a summary based off of, by the way, with the documents feature, you can actually drag and drop stuff now. You can drag and drop everything that GPTR supports, docx, PDF, CSV, pretty much all of your internal documents that you would like to work with. And finally, just a quick note about how to run this. It's pretty much the same as what we've done formerly. And all you need to do pretty much is clone the repo and clone the env.example file over here. Again, OpenAI API key will unlock the majority of the features. But you can also set your Tavily API key for the longer reports and your LangChain API key if you want to get logging and all that other good stuff. And after you do that, you can go down. You can just run Docker compose up -- build, and we're going to have also documentation within the repo as well that you can refer to. And yeah, we really hope you guys enjoy this version. Please feel free to reach out, play with it, and we're confident that it's going to add a bunch of value for you guys. Thanks again, and enjoy the repo.